can't even explain this. I wish you guys can touch my skin right now. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a first impressions review about a product on the Glowish YouTube channel. If you guys aren't familiar with Glowish, they are a channel here on YouTube that actually does a whole bunch of first impressions reviews about different products from Sephora. All these products are non-sponsored, so it's real reviews, honest opinions. I'm very excited to collaborate with them on today's video. If you guys haven't seen their channel before, I'll link it down below. They actually have skincare providers that match my skin up with the best products that they think will work well with my skin. So if you guys are new here, please subscribe down below and let's get started with today's video. The skincare providers have actually sent me a cute little survey where they got to know me and my skin and what my concerns are. I really have a big problem with acne and I have really sensitive skin. I do have combination skin where my skin is kind of dry and kind of oily, and I break out pretty often when I do have hormonal issues. My main concern is lightening up all these dark spots because I'm not breaking out too much right now. I feel like that's my main problem, is trying to lighten these up without breaking out. And I just love anything that's going to help the texture of my skin as well. So right now my skincare routine is super simple. I use a CeraVe cleanser and a really simple moisturizer. Before we get started, I just want to share with you guys the product that I'll be using in today's video. So the skincare providers were sweet enough to send me the Shani Darden Retinol Reform Retinol and Lactic Acid Serum. Right off the bat, I really love this clean, sleek packaging. Super cute. So let me share with you guys a few things about this product. It improves the appearance of fine lines, uneven tone, and brightens. It's cruelty-free, vegan, oil-free, and fragrance-free. It addresses multiple concerns of the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to uneven skin tone and blemishes. Also promotes collagen production and cell turnover without the drying effects of many other retinol products. Use this in the evening and use 1 to 2 pumps on clean skin, and start only with 1 to 2 nights a week and add a night each week. So comment down below what you guys think. I'm so excited to try this. So I'm gonna wash my face really quick and I'll be right back. I started having hormonal acne 5 years ago when I started birth control. So that's how it all started. I never had skin issues before that. That's the only time I really got into skincare, and I've been obsessed with it ever since. So now that my skin is pretty much healed up from the acne and it's more in a controllable state, I love trying new products to help my skin look a little bit better and feel a little bit better. So let's get started. This is what the bottle looks like, and it comes in a pump like this. Ooh, I would say it's very lightweight. It's not sticky at all. It feels really nice, you guys. There's no fragrance, which is good. Fragrance can kind of, you know, be the devil sometimes. I didn't want to use too much lighting for this video so that you guys can actually see my skin. And I feel like sometimes the lighting kind of like throws it off and makes your skin a little bit better than what it really is. So I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of my skin, close-up action here. It's all over my face. I like to focus everything on my problem areas, which is my cheek and chin. Put the remainder on my forehead. My forehead is always pretty much clear. So this product is supposed to help your skin turnover rate, so you'll probably have to exfoliate during this whole process, but we should be good. Now that it's all absorbed, it feels a little tacky now that it's drying down, and my skin just feels clean. Like, I don't feel any burning or anything like that. I don't feel any irritation. I'm just gonna use a really simple moisturizer for sensitive skin. I use the Neutrogena one here. Like that. I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll show you guys what my skin is looking like tomorrow. I feel like it really has improved my skin overnight. The texture has completely smoothed out. I just feel like the dark spots look a little bit better. All the pimples that I did have, which was a few on my chin over here, they all went away. I don't feel any burning, any sensitivity, any irritations or anything like that. So I think my skin is really loving it so far. I'm probably not gonna put it on my face tonight, but tomorrow I'll check back in with you guys and let you guys know how my skin is doing. Okay, bye. I am breaking out a little bit, you guys. These were pimples that were just right under the skin. They had to come out eventually. Since the retinol serum increases your cell turnover rate on your skin, that's why I have these breakouts. It's more like of a purging stage because this is not irritation or anything. These are actually just little whiteheads that came up this morning. And I actually did a mask tonight, so I don't really think I'm going to use the serum tonight. I do have redness. So I have redness here in my T-zone pretty much. I do feel like my skin is just a little bit more sensitive since I use the serum. Just be a lookout for that. If you do have sensitive skin, I really suggest putting your moisturizer on first and then putting the serum on. I feel like it got a little worse since last time, but I am still hopeful. I hope you guys are having a great night. I'll see you guys soon. So last time I checked in with you guys, I was kind of a little bummed out because my skin did break out. It got super red and sensitive. So from the last time I checked in with you guys, I took that whole 24 hours and made sure that my skin was completely healed before I tried any more of the serum. So my skin is looking really good now. Everything is pretty much cleared up as far as the active breakout. So this is what my skin is looking like, way better. And now I'm ready to use the serum one more time. Honestly, the rest of my face is perfectly clear and I love the texture of it. I don't have any active breakouts, so hopefully this works. I haven't washed my face yet, so I'm going to do that now. I just wanted to make sure my skin wasn't red or anything, just so that you guys can see what my skin is looking like right now as far as like me not touching my face at all. Next week should be way better. And I feel like this is gonna be a little bit better this time just because my skin got to test it out a little bit and it also got a break. If you guys do have sensitive skin as well, just make sure you're moisturizing. I love that it absorbs into the skin fairly quickly. For hydrating too, I feel like it's just more, I don't know how to explain it. Like my skin just feels like really healthy when I put it on. But I'll show you guys what my skin looks like tomorrow and then I'll continue all this throughout next week. Have a good night, guys. This time around, I feel like it really did help the texture for sure because I did have the breakouts under here that were just recently healed. And I do feel like it has lightened them up a little bit. Just a tad bit. I don't feel like it's a drastic difference just because it is like only my second use. But I did put a little under my eye as well. And I feel like it really tightened everything up, lightened it a little bit. So I wanted to show you in natural light what my skin is looking like right now. And my pimples are like completely flat. The skin on top of it is like smoothed out from the serum. So I'm really happy with it. It's always an improvement every time I see my skin after I use the serum. So I'm really excited to see what next week holds for me. I'll update you guys in the next few days. I think I'm gonna take a 2-day break and then use the serum again. So I'll update you guys on that day and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye. I do have a little bit of texture under the skin and I am having a pimple that's coming through right now. I haven't used the serum in about 2 days. So far, the changes I've seen after using this product for 10 days, it has really tightened up my skin. My pores are non-existent. And I just can't believe how glowy I look. Like I don't have anything on my skin right now. I also realized that the product has also kind of like evened out all of the skin on my face. Even though I do have a lot of dark spots still and I am breaking out a little bit, that's the only downfall so far. I'm not complaining at all. I really do feel like the more I use it and the more my skin gets used to it, it's going to really help the dark spots and stuff like that. I just really love the overall texture of my skin. It's completely smooth like butter, you guys. I can't even explain this. I wish you guys can touch my skin right now. I'm actually surprised to see how gentle this serum is. The actual serum itself doesn't sting or anything like that. It's very easy to apply and absorbs very quickly. It's so lightweight, and it feels hydrating when you put it on the skin. So that really surprised me. I wasn't expecting that, but I know for sure if I keep using this, my skin will just start loving it. I mean, I still have a few more days to go. But I have to say there's definitely more positives than negatives for this serum. Just wanted to update you guys really quick before I head to bed. I hope you guys are having a great night, and I'll see you guys next time. So today is the last day of me using the Shani Darden Retinol serum, and I just wanted to get you guys my final thoughts about it. I did have to take a break from it just because my skin kind of overreacted. I know that my skin kind of looks a little bit worse, but it's not too bad. I am breaking out from it. I realized that it was the product because I actually got like a really bad, kind of like an irritation right here. So I just broke out so bad. It turned super dry skin, and now it's like really sensitive right there. At first I thought these pimples were just because, you know, I have hormonal acne. I thought it was just maybe my hormones kicking in, and I didn't really think it was going to be the product until I seen all of this kind of come through, and it was kind of like burning my skin almost. So these are not breakouts where I can actually pop them, and that's kind of how I can tell if it's the product that's irritating my skin or is just my natural, you know, hormones kicking in. Usually I get just like these big bumps right here, which are cystic acne. If I can pop it, I know it's not the product. So unfortunately, this product didn't really work that well for me. It is only 2 weeks in, so my skin takes a while to get used to a product. It usually takes about like a month or two. So I did try to use this as little as I can. I toned it down this last week. I made sure I just did it like once. I was still broke out a lot. So I just feel like listen to your skin. It really is going to tell you if it likes the product or not. Retinols are really strong, so be careful. Try not to use any other chemicals on your face if you do use retinol. It makes your skin way more sensitive, and the fact that I already have sensitive skin, it kind of amped it up, which is weird because my skin wasn't sensitive when I put the serum on. Like, my skin loved it. It made my skin look so glowy and so good. My skin didn't feel tight or it didn't feel irritated or anything like that. So I was confused as to why I even broke out. But I feel like the overall appearance of my skin improved. The pores, all of that stuff, like, my skin was so good, and I loved it for that. I don't really break out on my forehead or anything like that, and I feel like that's the best place to prevent any type of wrinkles. Also, like under the eye area. So I am going to continue to use this product because I feel like it really tightens up the skin. It really makes me look so much more youthful, and it makes my skin look so much brighter. So I do love it for that, and I am going to use it in the spaces that I don't usually break out. And I do think that you can use it that way as well, in case if you have the same issue as me. All in all, I do feel like this is a great serum. I really feel like it does its job. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to see if it lightened up my dark spots because it obviously created more pimples. Overall, I think I'll give this retinol serum a 3 out of 5. Only because I know for a fact that it does what it's supposed to do. It's just unfortunate that I have acne prone skin. So I do recommend it if you don't have sensitive skin and you don't have acne prone skin. I feel like this would work really, really great for most people. Don't let this discourage you from trying the product. Everyone's skin is different. Mine is just extra sensitive. So if you guys are skeptical on trying this, I do recommend you guys can try the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, and it didn't make me break out at all. Just having the honey in there kind of made it a little more hydrating and less invasive on my skin. So I genuinely love this product. It's by Pharmacy. So if you guys haven't tried this one, I feel like it's so good if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin. I haven't had any irritation issues from this, even when my skin was just newly using it. Like, my skin really reacted very well to this, and it basically does the same thing that this serum does. I feel like it's just more gentle. So if you guys haven't checked this out, give it a try and let me know what you guys think. But alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I just want to give a shout out to Glowish for having me on their channel and collaborating with me. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe down below, like this video for more, and hit the bell notification if you don't want to miss my future uploads. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!